When I first started building my 2D combat system, one of the biggest challenges I anticipated was the enemy AI. Since combat is at the heart of the experience, I knew that responsive and believable enemies would be essential to making the game feel fun and satisfying. Easier said than done, as the only problem I had was that I never implemented any video game AI before. But I also knew this was a wall I had to scale if I wanted the project to become a reality. So I started small, with a simple goal: create an enemy that could search for the player, chase them, and attack when in range. There's a lot going on under the hood, but here's the core loop I built. Using the finite state machine component, we manage and control these few states to simulate a believable enemy. Idle state. This is the starting state. The enemy spawns in an idle state, periodically flipping direction to search for the player. It then moves forward within a defined patrol range. Once it reaches the end, it returns to idle and repeats the cycle. In this mode, and the prior one, using a raycast 2D node, the enemy scans for the player. Once spotted, it transitions to the chase state. In this state, the enemy pursues the player until it gets close enough to attack. If it loses sight, it returns to the patrol state and resumes searching. When the player is detected within the attack range, the enemy switches to attack mode, where it plays the attack animation and processes some logic in the background. These states, combined with a few other raycast 2D nodes for some environmental awareness, make up the enemy AI I have currently. These smaller raycasts help detect wall and ledges. If triggered, the enemy flips direction to avoid falling or getting stuck. Not yet, but it's a solid foundation. The system is modular, readable, and ready for future upgrades, like group behavior, dynamic difficulty, and even interesting boss fights. I have no plans yet, and to avoid scope creep, I will need to temper my expectations. But as the project develops, I can't wait to see what more I can do with the system. I just hit a major milestone. The first playable prototype for this project is ready. If you've made it far into the video, thank you. I truly appreciate your support. As a thank you, I'm inviting you to become a playtester. I've sent up a Discord server to host builds, gather feedback, and share progress. I would love for you to join the community. The link will be in the description. Until next time, peace.